In this video, we have the Kawasaki KRX 1000, and we're going to show you how to install the Rokblokz trailing arm guards. The tools required to install the trailing arm guards are a 3/8" socket, a cordless impact driver, and your included bag of hardware. The installation for the trailing arm guards is really easy. You only got one type of hardware. Place the first bolt in the rear of the trailing arm guard and the rear of the trailing arm. Adjust the trailing arm guard so that all the rest of the holes line up. Place a bolt in the front of the trailing arm guard and then the rest of the hardware. Snug everything up and then repeat everything on the other side. Then you're done with installing your trailing arm guards.